How to activate Shopify payments for non-US citizens, step by step. Are you living outside the United States but want to activate Shopify payments on your store? Let's go through the steps you need to know. Step 1. Understand Shopify payments availability. Shopify payments is not available in every country. It only works in supported countries like the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and some parts of Europe. If your country is not supported, you won't see Shopify payments as an option in your dashboard. Step 2. If you live in a supported country, you can activate Shopify payments by going to Settings, Payments, Shopify Payments, Complete Account Setup. Here, you'll be asked to provide legal business name, bank account in that country, proof of identity, like passport or government ID, tax information, for example, social security number or business tax ID in the US. Step 3. If you live in a non-supported country, since Shopify payments won't be available directly, you have two main options. 1. Register a company in a supported country. For example, many non-US citizens register an LLC in the United States. Once you have a US-based business entity and a US bank account, you can activate Shopify payments as if you're operating from the US. 2. Use a third-party payment gateway. If registering abroad isn't an option, Shopify allows you to connect other processors like PayPal, Payoneer, Stripe Atlas for US LLCs, or local gateways depending on your country. Step 4. Set up your payment provider. If you choose the LLC route, you'll need to form a company in a supported country, open a business bank account in that country, provide tax and identity documents during Shopify payments setup. Step 5. Alternative option. If you don't want the hassle of creating a foreign entity, just go to Settings, Payments, Add Payment Method, and select from the list of third-party gateways available in your country. And that's it. To activate Shopify payments as a non-US citizen, you either need a registered business and bank account in a supported country, or use an alternative payment gateway supported in your region. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.